Hi guys! Today I made a pencil squishy that you can actually write with. And I don't know what to call it in English. I don't remember. Sharpener, yeah. My classmate made this sharpener and pencil too. Oh, and the sharpener color was blue, but she didn't make a notebook. So I made one myself. Math notebook. Math. Math. This belongs to. Oh, and last night I made this cinnamon roll squishy too. Yay. Well, bye.